Hi, welcome back to another video. So today's video will be about the next letter, that is letter G. Now if you want to check my previous videos of letter K and K, I will provide the link in the description and you can just check out and do let me know how you found this video, those videos. Now let's begin with the letter G. Now for the letter G, I have already drawn this letter and I am going to like this will be the final paper just पे the letter G will be there, and I am going to do the same thing. I'll be embossing, but I'll be embossing on this sweet little paper of yellow paper, and then I'll cut that and place it on this. So in this video I'm doing this different than letter K and letter K. So let's begin with the video. So let's begin with the tracing first. So this is a normal ball pen and जो अभी use नहीं कर रही हूँ मैं, and this is letter G, and below this is a piece of yellow paper and this is a foam sheet. So foam sheet is going to help me to give nice depths to my letter. So now let's begin with the tracing part. So now it's done, the tracing is done, and let's see कि ये कैसे trace हुआ है. Okay. Yes, it's good. Now I will be cutting this embossed G, that is yes, using my precision knife. Now from where I bought this knife, the link I'll provide below. I bought it from Amazon, and with this knife I have 5 more such blades, but I'm using the first blade itself. So now let's cut this, but before cutting I'll fix this using sellotape or glass. I'm sorry for this glass, but I don't have any small glass, so this is the one which I had at my home, and so I started using for my projects. So I'm cutting now. So first let's stick this letter on this paper and then we will start our quilling. Actually, which strips I should use, I took a poll or took a voting kind of thing on Instagram stories, and thank you so much guys that you have really responded and really were active on that story. So the story was, should I take 7mm black or 5mm orange? So majority people like selected 7mm black, and I thought yeah I should go with 7mm black because majority of people selected that. So if you are interested in my stories, and if you would like to see what all work I'm doing on daily basis, then you can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and you can check out my Instagram profile. So I'm going with the majority, and yay, black bone, and so I'm going with black. So this black strips I have cut on my own using this precision knife only, and I will begin with this on edge quilling for this letter G. So let's begin. So glue spread केलेला आहे आणि इथे मी मार्किंग घेतला आहे ऑलरेडी. तर सो जिथे आपले पॉइंट्स आहेत लाईक कॉर्नर्स जिथे असतात, wherever you see corners, just fold it and try to take the next shape. So for example, you can see what I did is I have hold a strip in this way so that maximum part is on my side, and then मी इथे मार्किंग्स घेतले आणि जिकडे जिकडे फोल्ड आहे, जिकडे जिकडे फोल्ड आहे, wherever you see fold, just turn your paper in that way, and yes. So the main reason behind spreading the glue is you can dab the strip properly, and while applying that strip on the paper, on your base paper, the glue will not pop out, or it will not come out suddenly in somewhere, and your artwork would look shabby. Now that this, I want to stick the strip over here. So what I'll do is I will take some glue on a piece of paper, and I will just insert it. ठीक आहे, मी इथे घेतला आहे ग्लू, बाकी स्ट्रिपला ग्लू लावला नाही आहे अजून. तर आता तुम्ही बघू शकता, नाव यू कॅन सी दॅट दिस पोर्शन इज नॉट yet having glue at this at the second side of the paper. So I'll just insert this piece of paper so that but at the same time see that your strip is not coming over this base drawing. Just take any piece of paper which is available and start doing, because thick paper will not go inside. So there are some areas where you can't go inside, or even you can't place this strip of paper, so there toothpicks will help you. Okay, तर आता मिडल पोर्शन मीन्स सेमच. सो आता इथे असं आहे आणि इथे थोडा ट्विस्ट आहे, तर मग इथे थोडंसं कॅन डू दिस, म्हणजे तुम्हाला प्रॉपर कर्व मिळेल. आणि मग इथे परत ह्याने केलं होतं तसंच, इथे हा जो पोर्शन आहे हा प्रॉपर कव्हर होईल. ह्या पोर्शनसाठी थोडासा कर्व लागणार आणि मग परत इथे एक ट्विस्ट लागणार, म्हणजे इथे एक फोल्ड लागेल. ट्विस्ट म्हणण्यापेक्षा फोल्ड बेटर आहे. Okay, so this is done. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe to my channel if you want to see such innovative projects. And if you have any doubt in quilling, then do let me know. I'm always available on Instagram and Facebook. You can just drop me a message and I will reply to your message. So thank you, and stay tuned for my next tutorial. That will be the next letter. So till then, bye, see you, and take care of yourself. Bye.